Number 70. Which shortcut is used to undo an action in Word? Which shortcut is used to undo? That is Control plus Z. Control plus Z. So you have done something here. Let me do this one. So I've changed this color and I want to undo it. So you press the Control plus Z, and that's the quick access here. You can do the undo here. Alright, but the shortcut is Control plus Z. Control plus Z. That is A. Number 71. How do you create an index in a Word document? That's number 71. You first have to go to the reference index and insert index. Number 72. What is the purpose of the developer tab in Word? What is the purpose of the developer tab in Word? It is to create, manage macros, form files, and then control. Number 73. How can you add a shadow effect to text in Word? How can you add a shadow effect to Word? You first have to go to Home. So you come. So let's say I wanna deal with this one. You must be at home. So when you go to Home, you go to the font group. Alright, the font group, and then text effect. You can see text effect here. Once you bring your cursor there, it's given to you. Then you can choose the shadow, and your shadow effect is there. You can choose inner, outer, or whatever way you want to do it. Okay. So the correct answer is Home, Font, and Text Effect. Number 74. Which feature helps you view two parts of a document simultaneously? That's a split. A. So you'll be watching two documents at the same time. We call it a split. Number 75. How can you insert a shape in a Word document? You have to go to Insert and Shapes. Come to Insert, then Shapes. You can see the shapes here. You can insert any of them that you want to. So if I want to insert a rectangle, and that is okay for you, right? Undo, Control plus Z. So the correct answer here is A. Number 76. What does the restrict editing feature do in Word? What does the restrict editing feature do in Word? In fact, it restricts editing to specific parts of the document. That's B. Number 77. Which feature allows you to view and edit the XML data of a Word document? The correct answer here is the developer and XML mapping pan. Number 78. How can you compare two versions of a document in Word? You have to first go to the Review tab and then Compare. Number 79. What is the shortcut for printing a document in Word? What is the shortcut for printing a document in Word? That's Control plus P. Once you click Control plus P, it will bring the print pan for you. So if you are inside there and you press Control plus P, it brings this pan for you. Otherwise, if you don't know how to use the shortcut, it comes to the file and you can click on print and it will still bring you to the same place. But the shortcut is the Control plus P. Control plus P. So the correct answer is A. Number 80. How do you change the case of text in Word? How do you change the case of text in Word? When we talk about the case, is the uppercase, lowercase, and all that. So you first have to go to Home, Font, and change case. So that's what we are talking about. I always try to demonstrate for you to understand. So please give me a like and a subscribe to help me promote my channel. So you first have to come to Home and then the Font. Then you come to the change keys. All right, and you can change the key. So if I highlight this one, come to change keys, upper keys, lower keys, and then sentence keys. So the correct answer is A. Number 81. Which feature in Word helps you find synonyms for word? Helps to find synonyms for word. That's the thesaurus. A. Number 82. How can you add a custom watermark to a Word document? So we have looked at how to add a watermark in the previous section. So you need to go to design, then watermark, then custom watermark, and you are good to go. The correct answer is B. Number 83. What is the purpose of the clipboard feature in Word? What is the purpose of the clipboard feature in Word? To store multiple items for pasting. So once you copy anything, it stores in the clipboard for you to paste. Number 84. How can you insert a horizontal line in Word? How can you insert a horizontal line in Word? So the keyword is horizontal line in Word. So we first have to go to the Home, the borders, and horizontal line. Number 85. Which feature allows you to create a document that contains form field? So that's a developer and legacy tool. So you first click on developer, then go to the legacy tools, and you are good to go. How can you add an equation to a Word document? You first have to go to insert and then equations. So let me demonstrate that to you. You come to insert and you see equations here. So you choose the equation you want to insert. All right, and you can edit it. Professional editing and whatever you want to do with it. So that is how you deal with it. So the correct answer here is A. Insert and equations. Number 87. What is the purpose of the reading view in Word? The reading view helps you to focus on reading the document without distractions. So when you put it on the reading view, it doesn't distract you. Okay, you may click on something, then you'll be jumping to another different pages. But when you put it on the reading mode, it helps to focus more. Number 88. How can you customize the quick access toolbar in Word? Just go to File and Option, then Quick Access toolbar. Yes. So when I have this is a quick access. So you want to add some features you use quickly, or you use often. So you can put it here. So you come to File, then you come to Options, come to here and Options, right? And you can do the editing here, quick access toolbar. So you can click here and add those that you want to add to it. So we already have save, undo, redo, and margin here. So if I want to add more, I can just click on it and do add, then it will go. So I can add. If I don't want it again, I'll click on this one and click on remove, then it's going out. All right. You can also right click on this and click on customize. You right click on the quick access toolbar and then you customize any of them. So the correct answer is A. Number 89. Which feature helps you remove personal information from a document? That's the document inspector. How can you set a document to be read only in Word? You want to set your document in such a way that people can have access to it, but they can only read, they can't edit it, they can't do any formatting in it. So how do you do that? So the correct answer here is File, Save As, and choose General Options, and then you choose that option there. The correct answer is A. Now 91. Which feature allows you to draw freehand shapes in Word? That's a draw shapes. You please don't forget to give me a subscribe and a like so that YouTube can extend my videos to a broader audience. Now, number 92. What does the spelling and grammar feature do? It checks and corrects spelling and grammatical errors. So the correct answer is A. Number 93. How can you save a Word document as a PDF? How can you save a Word document as a PDF? All you have to do is to go to the export, create, and then you choose the saving form you want to save it. In other words, if I come to this and I come to save, come to file, use the save as command, and the location I want to save it, I want to save it here. So from here, save as type, you choose the PDF from here or the XPS document, and you can now save it. So that's one of the ways of doing it. But the simplest way is also to come to the export, and now from here you can change your document type. All right, yeah, so you change the file type. So the correct answer here is B. What is the purpose of the outline numbering feature in Word? Number 94. It is to create multiple lists with different number style. Which option helps you adjust the width of table columns in Word? Which option? So that's the layout and auto fit. It allows, so when you go to the layout and auto fit, it allows to adjust the columns in the table to fit your text inside. So if there are data inside the text, it automatically fix it for you. How can you create a new style in Word? 96. How can you create a new style in Word? So you have to go to Home, Style, and Create Style. Home. So let me demonstrate that. You need to be at home. All right. Then you see that these are the styles. All right. I can create my own styles inside. Create style, and you can create your own style. That's what we are talking about here. So the correct answer is A. Number 97. What is the reading highlight feature used for? It is used in highlighting all instances of a searched word. Number 98. How do you add a page border in Word? So you go to design. Let's try that. So the page borders. So you first come to design, all right. Then you choose the page borders from the page layout group. So you want which borders to use. Let's say maybe this would do. And you click on insert, and you see that the borders have been inserted for you. That's what we meant. So you come to design and page borders. Design and page borders. So the correct answer here is A. Number 99. What is the purpose of the zoom feature in Word? What is the purpose of the zoom feature in Word? It is to magnify or reduce the view of the Word document. To magnify it, to increase it. And number 100. How can you insert a citation from an existing bibliography in Word? So you have to go to reference. So come to reference, and then you want to insert an existing one. So manage source, and you can now do the, if you already have some here, just click on it and you put it inside here. All right, so this is the current one, and you can do the existing one and all that. So that's what we meant. First have to reference and then manage source. So our correct answer here is reference and manage source. All right, thank you for watching, and please again give me a subscribe, like, and more to the point, hit the notification bell so when I release any other new video, you will not be left out. Thank you and have a nice